I'm sure that every one of you would be under pressure that your portfolio has been falling, your stock portfolio, your mutual fund portfolio has been falling, continuously falling for the last 1 week at least, because of the Trump's big announcement that 25% tariff, then penalty on India, also calling India a dead economy. So talking about our dead economy, let us have a fact check. 6.5% GDP growth, less than 3% inflation, and with debt to GDP ratio below 82%, and with largest population, with largest in-house consumption of more than 60%, with young demographics, with less aging population, with the quickest growing or quickest emerging economy in the whole world, with progression from GDP ranking from 5th to 4th rank. This is all about the dead Indian economy. And who is claiming that India is dead? Wherein the debt to GDP ratio is more than 125%. The defense spending is less than the debt repayment. Having an aging population, having a confusion between the central bank and the president itself, and the president talking about removing the Fed chairman. That's all about the dead economy claim. Mr. Trump is imposing tariff left and right on India, China, Russia, calling India and Russia a dead economy without any base. So whatever you see in the market is a temporary phase wherein there is a immediate reaction from the retail and foreign investors. This will all come back to normalcy. Fund flows will come back to India because of the huge potential India is having. Now talking about Trump's tariff, if he is imposing high tariffs, he is importing from China, he is importing from India, higher tariff for our exports, which is their imports. It's like increasing the cost. Already they are at high inflation. Further increasing their imports means their buying power reduces because price of the goods increases, which will lead to US again slipping into a more inflationary economy wherein they will be unable to sustain such economic pressure and the US economy will only fall. So all these things is just a negotiating tactic by Trump wherein they want to cover up their high debt trap, bring in some strategy wherein US economy will be revived, which probably is not going to happen because others are going to be independent. Now India is talking about Make in India, so it will be more powerful. More in-house consumption will be promoted by the government. More manufacturing inside India will be, or even in that case other countries also will come in. We will depend less on revenue from exports, wherein US will suffer, and if they manufacture is in-house, then it will be more costlier than the cheaper Indian or Chinese products with same quality, which will lead to further degradation of the US economy. So this is all a temporary phase. Stay invested, have some cash. I always say you get a good opportunity. You can invest in quality, fundamentally strong stocks. See you next video. Till then, happy investing.